Guys, today I'm going to show you how to utilize eBay's file upload to create listings so that we can link to them from Flxpoint. First, in order to prepare this, you're going to want to run an export from Flxpoint of your current channel listings. As you see, I have one item that is not listed currently in my channel listings catalog. So in order to run an export, what you're going to do is select all, go to actions, and click export. I already have a predetermined eBay export, but there are some information that you're going to need in order to successfully upload over to eBay. Parent description is one of those. UPC is the main identifier on eBay, but you could also utilize SKU. I would recommend adding both. And you're also going to want to include images in that. A lot of these is pertinent information that you can do. But once that's been completed, go ahead and click export, and you'll be able to get that export of that file. Then, once you've completed that, you're going to go over to eBay. You are going to go into your seller hub, and then you're going to click reports, and then you are going to select a upload template. From here, you can specify exactly what type of template you want to download. In this case, we're going to be doing listings. Once you've selected the type of source, you can select the type, which is create new. The file type, I use XLSX, but it also supports CSV. And then categories. This is where you would choose up to 5 categories that you are going to be listing to. eBay typically handles the categorization of your products, so it's best to select ones that fit the types of products you are going to be listing from this sheet. Keep in mind you can go up to 5, and you do have to select the subcategory within their system. So for this case, I'm just going to be utilizing you can see there's electronics. But once you've selected your categories, go ahead and click download, and you'll be able to download that sheet, that template. Once that template is downloaded, it'll look something like this. Now, it's very important that you read through the directions of this template, as it will guide you on how to fill it out correctly so that you do not get any errors kicked back to you. What you're going to want to do from this point on is ensure you fill in all the information that is required for your listing. Now, the handy little export that we did create earlier from Flxpoint will allow you to get the product data that you need for these products. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go in and fill in as much information as I really need. Red will indicate that it is a required field. So for example, title is a required field. If I remove this, you'll see that it is red. So all I need to do is place something in there, and it will turn, it will become an accepted value. In order for us to link to products from Flxpoint to eBay, you need to make sure there is either a UPC in the UPC field or a custom label, which on our end is considered a SKU. So what I'll do is I will input the SKU that we utilize in Flxpoint, or that the supplier provides, that way we can link to that once we have this product uploaded. I went ahead and filled in all pertinent information required for this spreadsheet so it be ready to be uploaded. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and save. And you can add as many products as you want. Just make sure you have all red boxes completed. Now, once I've completed that spreadsheet, you're going to then go back to your Seller Hub, go to Reports, and hit Upload Template. And you're going to choose the file. As you can see, it is in process. And once it's completed, it will show you, you get a status update that says completed. If there's an error, it will tell you that there's an error. To view results, you could also download your results. And if you do have errors, you can also download that same file and it'll show you what the errors are on that sheet. But since this is completed, you can simply go to listings. And you will see that the product that I just added is this one here. And it was successfully listed on my platform. Now, one thing to note here is that there is one final step and you'll need to link this product to your Flxpoint account, which you can simply go do by going back to Flxpoint, make sure you then run relink channel, eBay, and then there's one unlinked variant, and then you're going to run that. And with eBay, it should find this listing because we are already connected and authenticated to the account. And once that completes, I'll be able to show you any further. All right, guys, so I hit refresh and it looks like the product linked and successfully linked. So I'm going to go back to my eBay account. It was able to find that. So now what I'm going to do is run a sync publish on this. And once this this sync job completes, I'll be able to verify in eBay that the price changes, because on my Flxpoint account, I have the price set to $20.99 and I configured the price to be $21.99 here on eBay. All right, so I'm going to do a quick refresh, make sure that the sync has completed, and I got the green light as synced. So let's see. And there you go. The product is now $20.99 here. So that product was successfully linked and synced from Flxpoint to eBay. Hopefully this guide helps. I appreciate you for watching.